Exciting day. We get to use the Milwaukee M18 30-inch hedge trimmer for the first time. It is early December. Good time to get our Japanese barberry bushes, which I've said before, I hate these bushes because of the thorns. They tend to break off or get on the ground, and if you're out there barefoot, you get the thorns in your feet. They stick to the dogs. But anyways, we're going to cut those bushes down and use this for the first time. So this we got, remember, this was the kit for three, look at the size, 30 inches. We got this as a kit for $369 with our very first Forge battery. Okay, I'm gonna take off that one there because we're gonna use the Forge battery it came with. All right, we're fully charged. And then this also came with the rapid charger and then an extra M18 8 amp hour Forge battery, which we returned for $169. So that's how we got everything for $369. Great value, right? That. And one of the interesting things on the hedge trimmer is you have this release latch and you can turn and get a little more comfortable angle. I haven't even used this yet. Again, first time ever, so let's go try it. All right, here we go. Remember, this is the house gift that the wife let me open up. Technically not my Christmas gift, so I still get a Christmas gift under the tree. Because this is labor. This is forced labor. I mean, it cuts hot knife through butter. You can see we got a nice straight line. The fact that it's 30 inches, you get that one kind of more even stroke going, which I do like that. If I had the smaller hand one, which we had contemplated earlier, which was, how much was that, like $150? You're not getting those nice, even straight lines. So another thing I like about the extra length on the 30 inches, especially with these Japanese barberries, you see the thorns on these, right? So with the extra length, I can kind of get back in here and cut without getting stuck. I mean, again, it's a really good cut. And with it being winter time, is generally when you want to get a lot of these hedges trimmed up really well so we can get real aggressive with it. Even some of the thicker branches on here, my old Echo would kind of get caught when it's cutting it. It's not really chewing it. I mean, it's cutting pretty good, I think. Now look at this backside. If you look at the angle here, this is where that extra 30 inches is really gonna help. So I can kind of reach in on both sides and get a nice line cut without getting stuck. You see, I'm out here doing this in the cold, and I don't mind doing it for my wife because it's something that she wants done. She wants the house to look good in the front. It's a house tool now. It's something for the house. All right, I'm gonna go on the back side of the fire stand and get that bush that's back here. So you wanna see from this angle here, yeah, that's fine. Just real nervous about my corrugated steel. The corners will cut you really good. I'm gonna do the inside first. You see this is kind of overgrown. I want to come back real aggressive on these. Yeah, the extra length is really making a good difference. Easier on my back, especially kind of reaching in certain ways. We're gonna do the tops of these. And get all of these the same height. And it's catching on a few when you get in the middle of the bush, but it's not stopping. So it's not getting locked up. My old Echo, I do love my old Echo one, but this one here, I'm able to get through pretty much everything. And it's a little heavy. Not used to holding and moving this heavy thing around like this. So, I mean, it's some good weight, especially with that battery in the back. But battery right now, we're at 3, and we're probably right around freezing, I think, right? So now I'm going to come in through this front line, and I want to bring all of these back where this the stone is, where you see the snow and the grass line. Yeah, the 30 inches, I love it. Not having to bend down as far. It's making quick work.
Less than 10 minutes.
I mean, that's pretty good. Worst part of the job is actually coming back and cleaning up with the thorny pieces. I mean, this stuff hurts. That's the Milwaukee 30-inch with the 8 amp hour Forge battery. I want to use one of the lights, so we're about 75% charge. $369 for the whole kit. The 30-inch Hedge trimmer, 8 amp hour Forge battery, and then the rapid charger for $369. When this, usually just as the tool itself, is usually about $329. It's a good deal. Recommend it so far. I'm gonna finish this up. See you guys on the next one. God, I am like breathing heavy.